Hi, my name is Grace Kabaidusai. I'm a trustee of the Children's Heart Foundation Ghana, a charity that raises funds for children with congenital heart disease. So today we are having a garden bazaar with everything gardening. So it's going to be a very exclusive event for today and tomorrow. So we have beautiful things here for our Children's Heart Foundation Ghana. Okay, the average cost of a child's surgery is about $8,000 and we pay for the whole surgery. Okay, so this is our maiden bazaar, the first for the year, because normally we have a ball and we couldn't do it this year because of COVID. So we decided to have an outdoor event. And so this is our own stand. We have beautiful things, beautiful stuff, everything gardening. You can get stuff for your for gifts, for your garden, anything to make your space beautiful. And all the proceeds from today and tomorrow are going towards surgery for children with congenital heart disease. You can attend any of our fundraisers. You can check us out on Facebook and Instagram. Okay, it's the Children's Heart Foundation Ghana.org. And you can find us also on Facebook. And you can find how to donate right here and how to donate. This is our details on how to donate right there. So I really encourage everyone to come and help us here.
Actually, when I was given the letter, I watched the figure. I thought it's 90 Ghana, but when we realized there's $1 on it, I said, wow. So that's where the headache started coming from. Thank them so much. God really bless them. God really bless them, because a life of a child. Because sometimes when there's a heat, she can't sleep. Everybody, you have to wake up. We are hoping. We thank them so much for the support. God really bless them.
We've been through a lot for almost 7 good years. And anytime Ram take a step, he complained, "Daddy, I am tired. Carry me." And that has been the story for all this while. "Daddy, carry me, carry me." But today, we have seen the mercy and the favor of God upon Aram's life. We thank God so much, and we thank Children's Heart Foundation. God bless you. God richly bless you.